this is Hicho. In the Chuden scroll, he was the first part of the word that meant to jump. Hicho, the cho is bird. So we are a flying bird taking off, attacking with our talons, flying and kicking them away. Very short and powerful kata. We're gonna leap and shakoken forward. Keep our hands up to defend ourselves. We're going to leap up, vertical, fly, and kick with our front leg. We're gonna try to do a stomp kick above his belt, but below his chest to push him in a downward motion. Here, fly, stomp kick him down, and he'll fall. This is a very vicious attack to do on someone, because if they don't know ukemi, if they don't know how to tuck their head, absorb the ground, once they hit the ground, the back of their head is gonna smack it. Just need to be careful with this movement. It's very powerful. If your body isn't able to jump high, when you still do this shakoken, you can still kind of walk through them, like walking around them and getting tight through them, and walking more on them as you do the technique. It's still Hicho, you're still flying and then crowding and getting them to fall down. So if you have damaged knees or it's just hard for you to jump high, this is another way to crowd them, get them to fall while still keeping the spirit of the Hicho kata.